You are pushing me.
You are nothing but a regret.
You are pushing me. If I react, you won't like me.
Okay. What if money the first place? Hey, Chineke! I can't believe it. Look at Snake, shameless man. Oyanzusu. Are you a man? You are a man. There's no one in your name. You are a man.
I'm not a man. I'm not a man. My man actually needs Daddy Mo. Daddy Mo. Daddy Mo.
One thing he had in the people.
John, hold your mouth. I'll injure you.
You're a shame. Come now. It is only on my body you have energy. Go and face your fellow real men and see the one inside your face. You injure me. She's a woman. Come, people, I won't you. Yeah. Come, let me see with you. She's a woman. She's a give me. Come and save us. Drop it. Let me get you. I'll get you. I did not. I'll get you. I'll get you. I'll get you. Akwagi. I'll get you. Come on, my hand now.
Hey, babe. My love. I'm so sorry I kept you waiting. It was the traffic. Sorry. You don't seem to be happy. I hope you didn't have a bad day. What seems to be the problem? Huh?
No, I'm fine. Fine, alright.
Okay.
I decided to come talk to you.
Okay.
So let me just go straight to the point.
Okay, my love. Go ahead.
Alright. You see, we are not children. We are adults. So let's stop deceiving ourselves. Come on, this thing we call a relationship, nonsense relationship I call it. It's not working. Yes, it's not working. We're deceiving ourselves. Today we are happy, tomorrow we are quarreling, next tomorrow we've broken up. Come on, what is it?
Honey, what are
You're not making me happy. I'm not happy in this relationship. You know it very well. And even you're not happy.
Honey, what are you talking about? I've never had issues with you as far as this relationship is concerned. We don't have issues at all. So what are you saying? Are you indirectly trying to leave me? Please don't do this to me.
Come on. Listen to me,
Okay, if it's about what happened yesterday, listen, if it's about what I said yesterday, I am sorry, it will never repeat itself again.
Now, it's not about what you said yesterday.
Then
like
what?
I told you before, we're deceiving ourselves. If I want to deceive you, I'll keep this relationship, but no. I know I'm just deceiving, I don't want to dump you, I don't want to make you feel like, okay, I hurt you, or no, come on. I'm just being honest. That is the truth. Listen to me, it's not working. I've sat down, I've thought about it. I said, come on,
what? What have I done?
You're not making me happy. Come on.
How else do you want me to make you happy? What haven't I done for you?
What happened?
I have always been there for you. I do virtually everything for you. So what are you saying?
Who said so? Make me happy, satisfy me, no. Give me head, no. Give me water, nothing. What is going on?
Honey, please, I'm sorry.
Sorry what?
Don't do this to me. I love you so much.
Do what? Then watch me squash this shit. It's not working.
Honey.
Hey, stop it.
Anthony. Oh God. This is not happening. This is not happening to me.
Hey, my friend, your mouth is fire. See the way we just you were just dishing out those insults to him. My friend,
Etiko is lucky I did not see it coming. As an African corner, I did not see it coming this morning. If not, I would have broken his head with a pistol in the kitchen. You know me now. I did not see it coming at all. He's so lucky. Useless, foolish thing. And
my friend,
foolish man.
If all the women can stand up just like you to their bully husbands, then this world will be a better place. Useless men everywhere.
Etiko.
Anthony Joshua. Anthony Joshua.
Don't call me Anthony Joshua anything.
But tell me, what really caused this fight?
What happened? What do you know? My sister. I just told my dear husband though, to give me money to pay for the shop I saw down the street. Guess what? Osimi does not have any money. That I want to look for a place to convey gossips.
Yeah.
You know what?
Ejike called you his wife a gossip.
Can see it.
He deserved more than that. You would have given it to him more and more.
Stupid man.
Anto baby. Anthony Jojo. Anyway, I will be off to the clinic right now. I'll see you later. Eh?
Okay. When you're coming back today, don't forget my soya milk. Every day keep saying today, tomorrow, today, tomorrow.
Don't worry, I'll not fail this time around.
You know you not.
Anthony
So now you come back and say there's no food in your house. I will not give you this.
This is not happening to me. What sort of stupid question is that? Why are you asking me as if you're going to help me? You men are the same! Scum! You men are scum!
I love your family problem, ma. I'm trying to help you. Ha.
No, I'm not back. I'm still there.
How did it go? Any luck today?
How can I be luck? Tell me how there will be luck when all you do in this house is to sleep. Yes, all you do in this house is to sleep. Every other woman I know, once their husband step out from the house, but I'm not going inside. We will not banana. God to bless the husband so that the husband will come back with big money. But your own, as soon as I step out from this house, lock this thing. Bam, you want to put inside. Lock the house. You start your marriage with pillow and this thing. Eh? Sleeping.
I was peeling the cassava I uprooted from the backyard this morning. Honey, do you mean there was no luck today?
There is no luck. There is no luck. I'm back. Please. Do you have any money with you? Any amount? Just give me. Latest, tomorrow evening, I will give you back.
Onny, there is no money. There's no money. The only money I have here now before God and man is 2,000 naira. And that 2,000 naira, that is what I want to use and make food this evening.
It's alright, go and get it.
Eh?
Yes. Before devil and the blue sea, I will give you back tomorrow evening.
Onny, that's the only money that is in this house. There's no money to eat.
Are you frowning your face? You are still there. Are you? Oh, can you? Who is testing you? Nobody, my wife. I'm suspecting you. Your husband is talking to you in Africa. Hope you are not thinking that it's somebody else. Don't even try it. The money that I'm going to use to go out there and hustle. Now you're going to go in Africa.
Honey, if I give you this money, now there is no money. We're not going to eat this night though.
I don't care about Nimi. Eh? Are we not here together? Only two of us. So why are you bothered about what we are going to eat?
Uncle.
You have breast. Yes. Give me the money. Let me go and hustle. What is it? Please stop this. Enough for me. I'm coming. Huh?
Only Kevin and I'm
coming.
I've collected this one. There is no food in this house. There is nothing to eat in this house. Anna,
What is it? You're crying.
Don't worry, I'm sorry to bother you, sir.
No. I can't let you go like that, you know, madam. No matter what it is, okay? And I'm sorry about that. But, you know, sometimes you let it flow, okay? I can understand what you're passing through, but...
You don't understand, you don't have a clue. Don't...
Okay, but just allow it, okay? You see, as you see me so, I am hot. And I know you're hot, whatever it is, okay? But you're my customer and my friend, and I wouldn't like to see you sad, okay? Just stop. Madam, it's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. Oh? It's okay now, oh? Oh? It's okay.
Blah.
Anayo, what is it? Do you need anything again?
The only thing I want now is, let not what happened before repeat today. Do you understand that? That thing that happened last time, let it not happen today.
What is it that happened last time?
You don't know what you did?
I don't know.
See, let me tell you. You don't have to be rude to me. You have to be obedient. Anything I tell you to do, you do it. I'm your customer. I'm the one paying you. So if I tell you to stand here, you stand. They say that customer is always right. Or you don't need my money. Don't you need my money?
Okay, yes sir. Anayo, yes sir. I have heard you. But I was in the kitchen preparing bushmeat pepper soup before you called. I thought you needed another thing.
If you like, listen to me. Yeah. If you like, to prepare human being pepper soup, it's not my business. But I want to tell you now is that, you see that my babe, she's coming. So when she comes, behave yourself. Comport yourself. You silly.
Hey, which your babe? You mean your wife, Ebere? She's coming here.
Village life is bad. Who on earth have you seen that call wife babe? Wife is different. Babe is different. Do you understand? So that is why I say, go to the city. Go to the city so that you can be exposed. Sell all these things you have here. Go to the city. Use the money. Go to the city. Go work there. Even if it's 3 days, you sleep there. Do you understand? Sleep there. Tell city people they should teach you manners, teach you city lifestyle, so that this village life will go out of you.
Do I blame you? It's because you come here without money.
Go. Do what I'm doing. You silly. Don't stop me. Because in a shop, you think you can now talk anyhow. If you like, don't behave well. You silly.
Thank God you're better now.
My dear, I'm so happy you are much better now, right?
Yeah, thank you so much for being a true friend. I am okay, and I thank you for listening to me.
You're welcome. My dear, I am happy that you are beginning yourself now, right?
Yeah, I am. Thank you so much for being a true friend. Thank you for being there for me and giving me a listening ear. Thank you so much.
I'm sorry for your broken relationship.
Oh, come off it. Shit happens. But thank God I'm brighter and stronger now to move on.
The problem shared, the problem half solved.
Exactly. So let us toast to our new friendship. Best brand. Desperados to the world. Yeah. See?
Friendship.
It's in your friendship. You're a good man.
You hear what I said? Very soon my girlfriend will come here. Behave yourself. If she asks you of meat, tell her I don't have meat. Yes. Tell her I don't have meat. That what you have is drink. And don't let her drink more than 3 bottles. Janet, she can eat too much. If she take more than 3 bottles or give her meat, now I can't go. My hands are off.
Anayo, how is it my business that you don't have money? You have never had money. Eh? How is it my business that you don't have money? See, get one to you. I have stopped selling on credit since last year. And as you know, this is a new year. So, no money, no selling.
No money. No, see, let me tell you. So who do you think you are? You're only in the village girl. You always form hard to get, form big woman. Hey. Welcome. I was even thinking that you not come again.
Why won't I come? Since after the last time, I've really missed you so much.
Really? Yeah. Yes, Zara. Welcome.
Please get me a bottle of Henneke.
Get her drink.
What type of meat do you have?
No, she doesn't have meat. Meat. She doesn't have meat.
Then what is she selling then?
I wonder. She doesn't have meat.
I have meat. I have bush meat. Yes.
You have bush meat? Which kind of bush meat?
Bush meat.
Get her drink. See, she doesn't have good meat. She doesn't have any meat. What she has is, do you know what she has? What? Dog meat. And pork meat. And with pig.
I don't eat dog meat.
You know you are having malaria. Yes. You're having malaria. Last week you nearly died. You see this girl? She's envying us. She wants to kill you with meat. I heard her saying it. Can't you see the way you hug me now? She has been angry.
So she wants to snatch it.
I'm telling you. So don't eat that meat. Hey, bring the Henneke. Give her. Open it. You silly.
It's okay, don't bring the meat again.
Don't bring the meat. She doesn't need meat.
Why?
No. Go.
It's okay.
Go. You know, okay, can you put one off? Go. See, let me tell you. Did you see anybody? People are now running away from our shop because she's selling noisy pork meat. See, she wants to kill you so long. Don't bring the meat again. She wants to leave you long. I eat her children's labor.
So she wants to kill me.
Don't bring it. She wants to kill you.
So she can snatch you from me.
I tell you. Don't bring it.
Will not work.
Don't bring the meat. She doesn't need it.
I am bringing the meat.
If you bring it, your kinsman will eat it.
It's okay. I don't want your meat again.
Do you know the kind of dog meat she do? She prepare.
What kind of dog?
Bush dog. Bush dog and bush pig. You see the bush dog? If you're eating it and by mistake the teeth can't choke you. If you're going on the road, you'll be.
Hi.
And if the bush pig, if you're eating it, the bone choke you. Epilepsy.
So there is bush dog again.
Hey. You can imagine. So she wants to use this thing now to do it to you so that you become a plate tick or you become a dog.
Her plans will not work.
So that she will take me, she will come to me, she will come to my house. She was even telling me that she will come to my house in the evening. I told her that I'm not around. I'm telling you.
Her plans will not work. See, I don't even need her meat again.
Don't eat meat.
I will just go with this.
Take only drink. Even
this drink is okay.
Drink only one bottle. Don't take two. The drinks in her fridge has expired. She wants to use the expired one to kill you. I was one that secured this one for you. If you ask her again.
So, what is she doing here now?
I wonder what she's doing. She's only here to admiring me. Please come on, take my own. Take my own. When you finish your own, darang my own, finish it. So that after that, you go to your house for return match.
You know now.
You know that he said that next time we will say that you finish me. I can't wait to die in your hand. And it will be in your Copperfield. You know what I mean? On top of your Copperfield. That's where we do the return match. The first one, it was in my house. Nice. Or do you want us to go to Chalet?
Anywhere.
If we go to, no, if we do in your house, we did in my house, that's the first leg. We do in your house, second leg. If you want us to go to Chalet, it will become Stamford Bridge. Let me just go to Stamford Bridge. Drink. Let me help you and finish it so that you know you have malaria.
I need to live here. This woman, no.
See, let me tell you, drink fast though. The more you stay here now, the more she's sending poison. Why you drink? She will send poison in it.
Rose, come on. You should know your gauge. Stop. Come on, let me take you.
Don't tell me. I know my gauge.
You have to stop now, okay?
You know what? Take me. Home.
Where is your home?
Home is anywhere. Take me anywhere.
Okay.
Take me to anywhere you feel like you want to take me.
Easy.
Away.
Easy.
Take me anywhere.
Easy. It's okay.
You're a good man, you know. You are a good man.
You're welcome. Easy. Rosie?
Take me home.
I didn't lie to you. Eh? I was dodging for you not to drink to me.
Hey! Why are you doing this to yourself? Look at what you are doing with another woman when you have a beautiful wife at home.
Please, Arusi, go where you are going to. Beautiful wife. Don't you have an ugly husband? Native daughter husband at home. What is your business? Arusi, go home, please. Leave us alone. I am the only one that saw us in this road.
Just leave her. She's just being jealous that we are in love.
Jealous?
Don't mind her.
I can never be jealous. Janet, have pity on yourself. You are too old for this.
Madam, will you go home? Go and face native daughter your husband. Look at your face. Nonsense. Is it not your face that your husband is using to do?
Leave her, let's go.
Rubbish, you steal it. Nonsense.
And how is that my business?
Come on, just for you. For you to be happy. Ha! I'm as free as the bird in the air. My life is open, free. Come into my life. You're the one I want. You're the one I want to spend the rest of my life with. Okay? Come to daddy. What? Okay, hold on. For you. Yeah, for you.
Okay, I see. You have to leave now. Give me some time to think about it.
Oh, all right. Take all the time and think about it.
I will call you.
Thank you. Very good.
Sorry, I didn't mean to work here.
You want to start leaving already?
Yes, I have to go now. My wife must be very worried.
Your wife?
Babe, I want to let you know that what happened between us wasn't a mistake at all. I enjoyed your company. I also want to let you know that I appreciate you greatly.
Thank you so much. I equally enjoy everything that happened between us. You're indeed a good man. Nice. And gentle as well. I wish I had met you earlier. But as the saying goes, good ones are already taken.
Rosie, I'll always be here for you. You know, for once in a long time, I had peace. So much peace in my heart. So always feel free to call me. Feel free to make me your lover.
Alright, I've heard you. You take care. Make sure you take good care of yourself and be safe.
You know, since I married my wife, for like 3 years now, I've never slept outside. Yeah, I've never slept with any other woman. I try as much as possible to be faithful, not until today. I have no regret about it.
Thank you.
But I have to go now.
No problem.
Take care of yourself, okay?
Everywhere. Them they busy, they look for whom they go break him home. Oh. Beware, agents of darkness everywhere. Them they busy, they look for whom they go break him home. Oh. With their sweet mouth, they will draw you to
Nika, you're still here by this time of the night.
Dikeh is not here back.
Let me sit down, I'm so tired.
Dikeh is not here back. I am so worried. Honestly.
If you're so worried, then why don't you call him? Someone that might be out there in the arms of another woman.
That's the problem. His phone is bad. I would have called him now. Eh? Hey. Dikeh has never slept out, no matter what. No matter all the quarrels we've had. He has never slept out.
As if you care.
I just hope there's no problem, or I hope he's alright.
As if you care. Relax, he will be back. See, let me tell you, every day countless number of people die of the killer BP. So don't come and kill yourself. Yes, highest 2 months. If you die now, he will get another wife. Will you eat suya? Someone bought it for me. I'm very hungry. It's love and sharing. Enjoy your life. It's not chop. Come on, kill yourself. Enjoy. Life is sweet.
Oh, Anthony, I wonder what I've done to you that made you do this to me. My joy is that I have never wronged you. If only I knew, I would have hooked up seriously with Ejike then. Even before he got married. Rather, I saw him as a mechanic and took him for granted. I never knew he's this sweet. Now, see me. See what is happening to me. But as I found out, I will not let him go. I don't care if he is married. I'm ready to be his woman, and I'm going to take care of him.
Why are you doing this? Hey, God. This is the fourth time I'm having this dream in 1 month. God. Nigga should not kill her husband. Nigga. God. Hey, God. God. Why is this dream coming? Why is it coming back? Your husband.
Why are you still awake by this time? Eh? Bombarding me with calls. What is this? If I refuse to pick, you keep calling. Almost 1 million missed call. Is that how you do? Mana Kwadobi, behaving like village women. Courtesy demands that if you call somebody once, twice, and they did not pick, allow them. When they are free, they will call you back. But in this one, no. Is that how you behave? You're silly.
Only why do you like doing this thing? Why do you like repeating the same thing all the time? That's why you went out the other day. I was calling you. You did not pick. Na poki ko ni ala. Honey, what if they killed you now? Tell that you went to. What if they killed you there? What would I have done?
So what if they had killed you too? I don't know. You don't know.
Am I not in the house? How they kill me?
I know. You're in your house. So they can't kill somebody in her house. Look at you. Get your money, please. Go and get me food. Go. Because go and get me food. Let me eat and sleep.
Honey, the only food here is yam and vegetable. Should I get it for you?
Yam and vegetable again. Do you have rope? Do you have rope? No, bring rope. Tie me on my neck. As a goat. Meh. You want to turn me to a goat? Every day, yam and vegetable. Yam and vegetable. All the time. I saw vegetable green leaves on my way. You should have told me. Had it been I picked the call, I should have known that it was this, it was the prayer. I drink water. So you don't have any other thing in this house for me to eat this night. Your husband will go on a boat.
The other thing in this house now to eat is the egusi soup I made 3 days ago. And there is no meat inside. Should I warm it and put ogiri inside?
Yeah. You want to prepare the soup, put it ogiri. Put it akamu as well. Yeah? Let me know that now Bachakena was. So you mean Okfe Maroka? Egusi soup of 3 days. You want to offer your husband, man of the house?
Honey, it's not sour. I warmed it.
You warmed it? You warmed it? Eh? Man of the house, you are giving a food and you warmed it. You're silly. It's alright. Let me sleep without food. But if anything happens to me, you answer my case, man. Choro, go and get me spoon.
Eh?
Go and get me spoon. Let me eat in the dream. And since you don't have food, don't worry. How about that? Keep your food. Get spoon, just don't let me back.
This is what you do all the time. Honey, that place you went to, why didn't you eat there?
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Is that what
you
you're
went to drink there, why did you not eat there?
So if I eat there, I drink there, I will do the other one there.
Yes.
I also sleep there.
Eh?
It's alright. 3 days time, you will not see me in this house. Don't worry. Let me sleep now. Go to a restaurant in the dream and finish food. Go and get me a spoon. Drop it here. It will be easy for me to enter that restaurant in the dream.
Honey, someone cannot play with you.
With my stomach, you play with my stomach.
Small play.
Bam. Take your heap of sand elsewhere. Take your heap of sand elsewhere. I'm not ready to build house now. When I'm ready to build house, I will call you. No, don't try it. Don't try it. Know where you are going. Don't try this. What is your plan? What is your plan? Please, don't go there. Don't go that side. Don't go that side. Don't go that side.
Nika, why are you getting yourself worked up? Eh?
Hey.
Good evening, sir.
Evening. How are you?
I'm fine. Ine, I'm coming.
Nigga. After a long day, you got about any I give. Who is this? What is this? Oh, wait. This your madness has not stopped. Okay, Kodeshi.
Tell me where you're coming from. Dikeh, where are you coming from? Smelling of a woman's perfume.
Me?
Who is the prostitute you went to see, Dikeh? Who is she?
Hey, anyway, I will pretend I didn't hear that. I'll just pretend.
We both know you heard me right. Who is she? That girl. Who did you go to see? Eh? I've been here since. Sick and worried about you. And you were out there having fun with another woman. Dikeh. I've been here waiting for
Neka, stop this. Neka, stop crying. Neka, we are married for 3 years now, and I've not cheated on you. Eh? We've been married for 3 years now. I've not cheated on you. Why will I do that now? Eh? I'm not cheating on you. Stop that. I did not go to see anybody.
Tell me what she has that I don't have.
You have everything. You're sweeter, you're fresher, nobody is there. It's just you. Stop this now. Stop this. Stop crying. Stop crying. Stop this now. Eh? Yeah, better be sure.
Tell me what she has that I don't have.
You have everything. Yeah? Nobody. I'm not cheating on you.
Stop
crying. I'm not cheating on you. It's okay now. Eh? Stop this now.
See who finally decided to pay a visit.
I mean, you can go ahead and crucify me. I deserve every bit of it. I'm so sorry, my darling. So sorry.
You will have to pay your way back.
Oh, at least there is a second chance. I would, my dear. However,
here, my friend, I've missed you.
I've missed you too.
How have you been?
I've been great.
You look good.
Thank you. As always, you know.
And now?
We know they carry last. Oh. Last, you go choke. So, how are you? How is your husband, Anayo? I hope his head is now very calm.
I'm here. Anayo. He's fine. But you know he's going through a lot now.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that.
But hopefully he's going to be fine soon.
Sure. Life is just like that. It's always ups and downs, and at the end of the day, everything must surely balance. Okay? So sorry. Take it easy.
I've missed you.
I've missed you even more. Like, I have missed you. So go get whatever you kept for me.
Don't worry. I'm going to get you something special.
Okay, I'm waiting. Ebere, it's been a while. Like, really.
But Naka, I feel terrible right now. My wife is here. And there, another woman. I've been thinking about her all through the night. I messed up. But Naka, I don't even know how I put myself into this.
I mean, were you...
Naka, please get serious. This is the first time I'm having a discussion with you.
You know I'm the wrong person to discuss this kind of issue with. You know my stand on this kind of issue.
Sometimes try and be logical, at least.
I believe God created men to be superior. We are African men. You don't have to be worried about issues like this. Come on.
I've tried so much to make my marriage with my wife work. But it's not working.
So quit trying. Start living. You're an African man. You know how it was with my wife. Well, she has got over it. I'm living my life as a man. I mean, live your life. You're a man. Quit worrying. I mean, be a man. Live your life. Quit worrying. Women are to be tamed by fire, by force.
I heard you last night. You were just giving it to him hot. Anthony Joshua.
Etiko does not know what I'm made of. He's trying me. He thinks I'm going to give him a chance to be moving around this town with other women. No, I will kill him.
That is right, my dearest friend. You have to fight for what is rightfully yours before you allow any other person to take away sleep from your eyes. Yes! You have to be wise as a serpent. You know, ladies now are very desperate. And he will say it was the devil's handwork. And he'll bring a second wife for you.
Is it again? To fear. My God forbid. Listen, I will kill him, kill that girl, and then kill myself. He won't even date.
Now you are talking.
Is he mad?
Now you are talking like the Neka I used to know.
He will not even try it. He will not.
My dearest friend.
He will not.
Monitor him. Don't give him any breathing space at all.
Am I mad?
Be his shadow.
You know, Uzamaka, sometimes I envy you. I envy single women like you. I mean, take a look at you now. You don't have any stupid, useless man that will give you a headache. My husband, Dikeh, is not only Paul, he's a wizard.
Ma'am, you can say that again.
He's just all about sucking my blood. Uzamaka, you needed to have seen me when I was still single.
Ew.
Hey! Uzo.
Ew.
I was hot.
Ew.
I was classy. You know, I used to go to the club then and go down, go up.
Ew. Ew.
Ew. Ew. Was it not still because of this useless man? I sold my car.
You fuck up. You lose guard.
I was driving. Not just cow. I was driving a Jeep. I sold it. I also left my job in the bank. All in the name of this same stupid love. Love wanna go queer.
You mean you did all this for Dikeh?
I'm telling you.
Babe, you lose guard.
Without knowing he's a demon sent from the pit of hell to destroy my life. But you know what? I will drag him down with me. I will make sure I drag him with me. Wretched wizard.
Yes, so no time to check time on his surprise time. Anything you're doing, be fast about it.
Yes, sir.
Be wise as a serpent. Bam!
Very useless man.
That was what happened.
Anthony.
Anthony! Why will he do a thing like this?
I don't know.
I love you. I can't do without you. I'm not gonna... After all the love he professed to you.
Oh, we are lies.
Hey! Men are what again? Scum!
Crazy.
Boros, have you really tried to find out why he left?
I don't know. Probably he already got someone else and he felt I wasn't worth being with him and he then pushed me away. It's fine. I don't want to talk about it. I don't even want to think about it anymore. That's by the way. Listen, girl. I came here for a reason. I know you are the only true friend I have and you will always tell me the truth. That is why I've come.
What is it?
As crazy and stupid as it may sound, but I must have to say it. I met a guy just yesterday and then we
We stayed together. And I've already fallen in love with him. So much in love with him. I can't even help myself.
I don't get it, Rose. You met a guy yesterday and you were already in love with him. Nyang, yesterday. Stop it. How are we sure this person is not going to break your heart again? You don't even know him.
That is the problem, my dear. It's a problem to me. I've been trying so hard to bring myself out of it, but I see myself moving forward. I love him so much. And the craziest part of the whole thing is that I only spent few hours with him. But those few hours was memorable. He literally told me everything about himself. I was so comfortable. Everything that happened was just so sweet that I am in love with this guy so deep. And I don't know what to do. But the one that is actually a problem there is that he is married.
What?
Yes, he is. He's married, and though I've known him long before now, just that we weren't this close. You know.
He's married.
He's married. That's my problem. He's married. I wish he wasn't.
You know, yeah. Sometimes in life, what we want is not what we get. You have to push and get it. Does he make you happy, my friend?
100. 100, my darling. He does.
Then go for it. Go for what makes you happy. Right. All I want is for you, my friend, to be happy.
Oh my goodness, Sebiri. I knew I wouldn't be disappointed telling you this. Now you've made me whole again. Thank you so much for this word of advice.
Now go get your man.
Go get him. At least now I feel very comfortable. I mean, someone is behind me.
There's so much love in your eyes.
I love him. You don't understand.
Stop it.
You have no idea. The love is dripping.
Oh.
It's dripping.
It's dripping.
You don't know. Ebere, don't start, please. What's that? Stop it. Stop what? Stop it.
Hello? Razi? Yeah, how are you? Yeah, I'm fine, I'm good. I'm just calling to check on you. I hope you're fine. Okay. Okay. Well, take care of yourself, eh? Yeah, okay. I don't come.
Jenny, baby. Where are you going this afternoon? With this kind of sun? Hey!
I'm going to your house. Why are you asking?
You say you're going to where? My house?
Yes. I'm going to your house now. Since you have refused to pay me my money, I'm coming to your house to collect my money.
See, I don't like this. If you go to my house now and my wife see you, what will you tell her that the money is for?
Who cares?
Eh?
Who cares? See, Anayo, just take a good look at me. Look at me. Do I have any shop?
I don't know.
See, look at this. This is my shop. This is my shop. So if you don't want me to always embarrass you in this village, please pay me for the goods and services rendered to you.
Goods and services?
Because I'm using my blood though.
Goods and services?
Yes.
You don't have shop, your body is your shop?
Yes.
Sometimes people close their shop. Sometimes, Anokato, you close your leg. Zukwani Ike.
I'm not closing.
Zukwani Ike. Janet, Zukwani Ike. Close to shop sometime. Machie. Eh? See, let me tell you. I'm not like all these old men or these boys in this village, local customers you have. I'm international customer. Eh? I'm a big boy. See, as I'm talking to you now, very soon I'm going to the city. And if you behave well, I will take you along. Eh? Do you think I'm like all these people that in this village that are giving you 1 naira, 2 naira? Let money not be the problem. Stop adding money to anything me and you do, because I'm serious.
It's not that.
There is no that. Forget everything. What happened has happened. Let's wave it. Let's pretend that you did not say what you said.
So
I have forgiven you.
You promised to take me to the city.
City is not the problem. I talk about city. What is city? I own city. If I make one call, you go to the city, eat good food, stay in a good house, and receive AC. What is there? The only thing you need to do is just be a good girl. Accept me for a serious relationship. Have you accepted?
Yes.
What are we not saying? What are we not talking? What are we not talking? You have arrived though. See, let me tell you, there are millions of beautiful girls in this village that are begging to be with me. But I choose you. I told them no. Shoo, let them move. I pursue them. Who are there? They are all silly. I said, no, Janet is my choice. She's tall and fair. I like them tall and fair with normal average breast. Not that big one I have in the home. And that always covering my ear if I'm sleeping.
Don't worry. Since you promised to take me to the city. No problem. Let's just...
City, you hear, you call. You are going to the city anytime you want. Call, go here. I make call, you travel. In fact, I was coming to your house. Let's go back so that we finish what we started. Sure. You know we have unfinished business.
And I will give you that style. I promised you the last time. You know now.
Oh, Bomo. Hey, Janet. Ibuam. See, let's go. I don't want anybody in the public. So that people will see us. Let's go so that I will finish you. This time, two knots. Move it. Let's go. Hey.
You see what I was saying? This guy is a nice, sweet dude.
I know.
See how he's been checking up on me?
Look at you. You're all loved up.
Yes, I am.
Rose.
My darling.
What about what I told you? You know, I'm really suffering in this village. I'm not fufu. I and Anna, we feed from the little farm products we get. Nothing is going well. Just help me. Oh, we go to 50,000. Let me start a petty trade outside.
50,000? What's 50,000? 50,000 naira for petty business. It's too small. What can it buy? Nothing. Listen, my dear, you have to calm down, okay? It's just that right now I have financial commitments here and there. But do not worry yourself. I'll do something about it later. Oh?
Before Anayo and I came back to this village with nothing, you've been saying this thing, Rose. You know one of the Aka. Look at me. I'm suffering. Help me. Only 50,000. I
don't have money, my darling. Listen, all these things you see is packaging. I'm not going to kill myself because I don't have money now. Just calm down. There's a business I just invested in. 5,000 naira to be able to earn 10 million in a month. You will know that your friend has arrived. Right now, I don't have money to give to you. Every dime counts. Just give me small time. I will give you what's 50,000.
No problem. I'm so bad, bro.
You want to go? Just take good care of yourself, eh? I have to be on my way.
Bros, do you have any small money there? Just give me. There's no food in this house.
I don't know why you are like this.
Before Andayo will come back, there's no food in
this house. I'm not happy with this thing you are doing, no. You know I can. I'm a philanthropist by nature. I'm Casey and Yellow Madaka. You know that one. And I'm a I don't have money. Okay, if I open this bag, what you see is 2,000. Go inside this car. Look at my fuel gauge. On a chassis red. I'm going to use that money to fuel my car. And where am I go now? Okay? But don't worry, eh? Because of what you just said now. You want to prepare jollof rice, okay? Send me your account number. Okay, be. So you see. Oh?
Rose. Is it not okay, be?
Yes, okay, be. Just send me. Make sure you send the account number. Oh. Send it. I will send you something later. Okay, be. Okay, be. Now you are last. What are you from?
Ijoma.
Oh.
Bye bye, oh.
Take care of yourself. Send that account number.
Uzamaka is right. I will not give Etiko a breathing space. I will monitor him
I'll make him know that I'm watching him. I will make him understand that my eyes are on him. Etiko, you think you can play a smart one on me, okay? You have to think again. Just look at what he has turned me into. You've turned me into a housewife. Now you think you have eyes for good-looking girls.
Darkness everywhere. Them they busy, they look for whom they go break him home. Oh. Beware, agents of darkness everywhere. Them they busy, they look for whom they go break him home. Oh. With a sweet mouth, they will draw you to themselves. Oh. If you give attention, they will lead you to destruction. Beware, know who you they relate with. Oh.
You mean you did all this?
But I told you already. I actually built it. Come on, honey. Enough of the compliments. Thank you.
I wish to have a house like this of my own. Eh? They couldn't know him. Why Dikeh?
That's what
this is wonderful. This is a big one coming from a woman like you.
God will give you. You attract what you appreciate. Okay? Yes, of course. All right, I'll be right back, honey.
Okay. Cheers.
Okay, cheers. I'm coming.
Okay.
All right.